Welcome back, guys. Here's another problem that we need to prove that the left hand side is the same as the right hand side. Now, if you haven't watched the last video, I had a previous video whereby I was proving one of the expressions. You can go and watch it. It's part 12. So this is part 13, whereby I'm proving the trigonometric identities. So you can pause and try to prove it and see if your answer is going to be the same as mine. But then, guys, let's continue. But before we continue, remember, guys, at the end of this video there is a playlist whereby all the videos that I do on this playlist are put in a sequence, so you can watch from part 1 until this part here, which is part 13, for you to understand way much better. So watch till the end and then you'll see that playlist. Alright, so before we start, remember the first thing that you must do when you prove the identities, always select the side which is more complicated between the two. So the one that is more complicated is the side on the right. As you can see there, we have sine minus xy plus sine plus sine x plus y, and then this is divided by cos x multiplied by cos y. Right, so please choose the side on the right, by the way, guys. So we can say, when we start, we can write right hand side. Okay, so let me just rewrite this. Okay, I will try to be quick. I'll try to be as quick as possible. Underline there, and of cos x multiplied by cos y. Right, so we pick the right hand side because it looks more complicated than the other side. Now, when you look at the denominator of this expression here, guys, this is the compound identities. As you can see, we have sine x minus y. That is the compound identity, guys. If you don't remember the compound identities, I made a video about them whereby I derive them as well. But the formulas for compound identities, they are like this. For sine, it's gonna be sine, and then x plus or minus y is gonna give us sine x multiplied by cos y, and then plus, because plus or minus in fact, and then it's gonna be sine y and then cos x. I hope we have enough space. What happened there? Oh yeah, I created some space. Let me just open up some space here and finish up. This is gonna give us, where is it? There we go. This is gonna be cos x. There we go. So this is the formula. This is actually general formula for the compound identity for sine. So as you can see, we only have sine here, so we're gonna use it to solve that one. I repeat, guys, if you don't know where these are coming from, there is a formula, there is a video in fact on the icon. I'm gonna leave it there. Go and watch that video whereby we apply and we also use these rules. Alright, let's continue. Now let's look at this, guys. Since we have sine minus x minus y, meaning when we rewrite this is gonna be in this form. It's gonna be sine x multiplied by cos y. Since we have minus here, this is gonna be minus, and then we're going to have sine, and then this time around it's gonna be y. Let's do this, guys. Can you see? This time it's gonna be y, and then we're gonna have cos, and this time is gonna be x. Now this is for the first term, and then don't forget we have plus there. For the second term, we're gonna have sine, and then we have x, and then multiplied by cos y. Because we have a positive sign here, it's gonna be plus. There we go. And then there's gonna be sine y multiplied by cos x. Now all this is divided by our denominator there. Let's check. It's a very long line, by the way. So our denominator is going to be cos x multiplied by cos y. Okay, let's create space, guys. Let's create space. Okay, now when you look at your numerator, you will have some like terms there. Let's look at it. As you can see here, we have sine minus sine y multiplied by cos x, and we also have positive sine y multiplied by cos x. These two are like terms, guys. These two are like terms, so they're gonna cancel each other and they're gonna give you 0. You also have sine x multiplied by cos y plus sine x multiplied by cos y. So there are two of them. So when you write the answer on the numerator, it's gonna be 2 sine x multiplied by cos y. Alright, and then this is gonna be divided by cos x multiplied by cos y. Oh, not cos y. Let's just do it cos y. Alright, now if you continue and you look at that problem, now we have a division. Now we can say cos y divided by cos y. They give you 1, multiply everything, you're left with 2 sine x over cos x. Now sine x over cos x is equaling to tan, so you're going to be left with 2 tan x. Because of this, remember, it's tan, guys. This is tan. Alright, I hope you guys understood this. It was not that difficult, even though it needed you to use your compound angle. Remember, we did compound angles. You can go to the icon and check if it's so happen you don't understand how this came about. But this is how you do it, guys. If you have any questions, do not forget to comment. And if you have a shorter way of doing this, you can also ask on the comment section. But at the end of this video, guys, there is a playlist. Go and watch that playlist or click on that playlist. You will see all the videos in this playlist in a sequence order for you to understand way much better. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Until next time, cheers.